still have a great price on it. We have the 3 different colors, and we have sizes extra, extra small through 5X. Is the wildflower printed 3/4 sleeve top. It's got this beautiful floral placement print, which is not inexpensive to do. And then the little kiss of the rhinestones that we love from Quacker Factory. If you saw us a little bit earlier presenting the seersucker pants, this is the top that Angel was wearing, and I was just changing into it.
Looking fabulous. You look so pretty in that color.
Thank
Yowza.
you. Yeah, it's actually good that this color I ended up wearing.
Yeah, I didn't realize the light navy was the navy was so limited. I apologize for
Oh
teasing
no, that's
it.
okay. It looks great with the pants.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I like the
thank
outfit.
you.
Now, when this was introduced a week ago, we started with over 4,000. If you want the dark navy, we have 100.
Oh boy.
100 remain.
Oh boy.
In the hot coral, we have 450, and in the lilac, 750. This is the only order of the year. 2/3 of the quantity is gone. It's an $18.33 charge on a credit card, and then it's on its way to you. A681254 is your item number. Okay, placement prints are not inexpensive to do, and this is like a little work of art.
Yes, it really is. And I have to say, Terry, this is my personal favorite kind of garden.
Yeah.
No bugs, no sweating, no watering, no
dying.
No anything, right? You just put it on and go.
Yes.
So 100% cotton, 3/4 length sleeves, nice round neckline. It's not too low, it's not too wide, it's just
right.
And then we give you these gorgeous florals, accented with a little bit of stonework, just absolutely lovely. I'm 5'8", I'm wearing the 1X. It's hitting me just at about the fold of my leg. And I love a 3/4 length sleeve because I have long arms and broad shoulders, so I don't care where it hits me because it's still appropriate.
It's just easy. And then if you don't like to wear short sleeve or sleeveless, it keeps you nice and cool in the summertime, but still gives you that coverage.
Yes.
I'm 5'2", I'm in the extra small. The length is 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches. I didn't realize it was 100% cotton. I thought it was your cotton poly blend. It's just as soft and silky as it.
It really is. So we have found that when we're doing prints, and this is overall print, the color of the shirt itself, in addition to the flowers, it's all printed on, right? But we just find that the 100% cotton really helps the colors to be vibrant.
Yes, they are too,
beautiful,
though. That
right?
kind of chartreuse color in my lilac is so bright and vibrant. But I love where everything is placed.
Yes.
It's perfectly. It kind of draws your eye down to an angle a little bit. If you're larger chested, it's not like all the flowers are right there and going to be, you know, I mean, it's definitely designed perfectly.
Yeah.
Look at the shape too. It's not just a box of a t-shirt.
Right. I mean, you know, and that's it. It's all of these elements that come together to create this beautiful piece. And so many of you have written and said, I love Quacker, but I need something that's appropriate for work. This is appropriate for work, for worship, and for girls' night out even. It is just a beautiful top, exquisite. And I love how each color, whether it's Rebecca's, whether it's yours, or whether it's mine, it's all pretty much individualized based on the colorations of the florals in this.
Rebecca is 5'8". She's wearing the extra large. The length is 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches. 100% cotton. You're going to machine wash, tumble dry. Those are just little kissed on Quacker. It's quiet Quacker.
Quiet Quacker, indeed.
You know, I'm thinking Mother's Day is coming up.
Yep. Easter
is coming up. What about this? Instead of a bouquet of flowers that you could easily spend $55 on, you give the top, and then she can wear it all the time.
And every time she puts it on, she will think of you.
Yeah.
You know, that's why we had a 2 a.m. show this morning, and I said that to Chelsea. I said, you know, I love using QVC's Build To Ship To, because if I want to send somebody something, I can do that, and then I don't have to get it home, repackage it,
send it off
to the post office, pay for the extra postage.
Exactly.
I don't have to do any of that. I can just send it along, and then.
And if you're going to do that, you go to, when you go to QVC.com, click, it'll say, is this a gift? before you get to the checkout page.
Yes, yes.
So you check yes, and then they don't see what you paid for it. They'll get a
Right.
packing slip, and you can even write something. Although no exclamation
No
points.
exclamation
I
points,
don't
yep.
understand that.
Yeah.
I have to talk to someone about that.
I know.
But you can just say, you know, happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, thought this would lift your spirits.
Right, thinking of you.
Thinking of you.
Yeah.
And then they don't see what you paid for it. And then they get it right to their home, and you don't have to go to the post office and
love that
spend
option.
extra on the shipping.
And then all they get is a beautiful top with these amazing florals that they'll wear over and over and over.
I love how even on the sleeve it goes down. So this is the
Lilac?
lilac. It is lilac. Here we have coral. This is the dark navy.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Only order of the year though, and we are over 2/3 through with what we brought in for the year. So like we were talking about with the seersucker, it may be February, but now's the time to pick this up because we won't see
Exactly.
it again until 2026.
We all need a little perk up.
We all need a little bouquet of flowers in
Yes.
our lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so
my
good
friend.
to
So
see
great
you.
to see you too.